Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'll be showing you how you can log in into your Telegram account without a phone number. In order to log in into your Telegram account without a phone number, now when you actually install the Telegram application on your device and then open it up, this is how it's going to look like. So basically, I already have an account. Now the short answer is that you'll not be able to use Telegram account without a phone number. Telegram only operates with a phone number, so you have to provide a phone number and a verification code is going to be sent. However, if you don't have your own personal phone number or that you don't have your registered SIM or whatsoever, then you can use the alternative method, that is, you can use a virtual phone number which can be available on any of the website or application on your phone. And then you can just install the following virtual application and get a phone number for a certain period of time and then get a code as well, and accordingly you can create the account with the following virtual phone number. So that's the only way you can log in without a phone number or your own phone number on your Telegram account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.